Welcome to my YouTube channel, Info to All. Here you can see all the international scholarship updates and procedures. This is the first platform where you can apply with zero money in any country. Please subscribe to the channel for upcoming scholarship updates where you can apply for free.
Welcome to applying Vanier Canada Graduate Fully Funded Scholarships.
The Government of Canada launched the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships, Vanier CGS, program to strengthen Canada's ability to attract and retain world-class doctoral students and establish Canada as a global centre of excellence in research and higher learning. Vanier scholars demonstrate leadership skills and a high standard of scholarly achievement in graduate studies in the social sciences and humanities, natural sciences and/or engineering and health. Scope of this scholarship is, up to 166 scholarships are awarded annually. A total of up to 500 scholarships are active at any time. And value of this scholarship is $50,000 per year. Duration of this scholarship is 3 years, non-renewable. Scholarships are distributed equally between the 3 federal granting agencies, Canadian Institutes of Health Research, CIHR, Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council, NSERC, Social Sciences and Humanities Research Council, SSHIC. Selection criteria of this scholarship will be done by academic excellence, research potential, leadership potential and demonstrated ability. Areas of research under this scholarship: 1. Health research, 2. Natural sciences, 3. Engineering research, 4. Social sciences, 5. Humanities research. Applying procedure for this scholarship: 1. Apply to a Canadian university which has seats of Vanier. You can check Vanier CGS Quota Memo for institutions on this link: https://vanier.gc.ca/n/appendix_A_CGS_2018_2020_21.html. This link is also given in video description. 2. Check the deadline of university where you want to apply as Vanier. 3. You can apply in only one university as Vanier. This university evaluated your profile and nominated you as Vanier applicant.
Now you can complete a Vanier CGS application process via these steps. Task 1. Confirm eligibility. Confirm that you meet the Vanier CGS program's eligibility criteria. Applications that do not meet all the eligibility criteria will not be accepted. Task 2. Contact your desired nominating institution. Select your institution and inform the Faculty of Graduate Studies of your intent to apply to the Vanier CGS program. Task 3. Register for ResearchNet and Canadian Commons CVC accounts. Make sure you have the following or click the links to register. ResearchNet account, a web-based application tool and funding opportunity/decision database that is used by the Vanier CGS program. Cheerpin. Unique personal identifier required to apply for this program. CCV account, a web-based tool that allows you to manage your CV data in a single repository and generate CVs as needed for all member organizations. Task 4. Create CCV Vanier Banting academic template and link to ResearchNet application. You must create a Vanier Banting academic CV on the Canadian Commons CVC website and link it to your ResearchNet application. Refer to these instructions for more information on how to create a Vanier Banting academic template version of the CCV, how to link the CCV to your application package, how to best complete the CCV, including entry limits. Task 5. Start a ResearchNet application. To create a Vanier CGS application, after logging into your ResearchNet account, click the Find Funding Opportunities button and select Apply for Funding to display an alphabetical list of the currently available funding opportunities. Clicking Apply to this opportunity from the Actions menu on the right-hand side of the screen will take you to the main Vanier CGS application menu. Note: each applicant can create only one application per competition. Task 6. Identify area of research. This task serves to determine which selection committee will evaluate your application. If you choose health, your application will be reviewed by Chair's Multidisciplinary Selection Committee. If you choose natural sciences and/or engineering, your application will be reviewed by NSERC's Multidisciplinary Selection Committee. If you choose social sciences and humanities, your application will be reviewed by SSHRC's Multidisciplinary Selection Committee. Task 7. Identify participants. In this task, you will enter information about yourself including chair PIN, if not auto-populated, information about your nominating institution, the confirmation number of the CV you created in the Canadian Common CV, supporting documents. Task 8. Identify referees. The link for completing a Vanier CGS application procedure also in given in video description. https://vanier/gc.processes_d_mise_d_candidature HTML. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.